At around 2 in the morning, we were all sleeping, and all of the sudden we heard this loud bang, and then the roof just kind of flew off, and it was hanging off the building. So that really got us scared, and then we just woke us up, and before we knew it, there was water just pouring inside our beds and our clothes and everything. So we just had to run out. That was about to burst, so we've got to be careful. This big bubble right here. So
Yeah.
Right now, we're just struggling, trying to save as much as we can. We got clothes everywhere, like at least trying to save some in our cars, and we're just trying to put them anywhere we can. So right now, we're still going up and down our apartment just to try to save more stuff because there's water still pouring in there.
I think we need help. My family is needing help. I have a 9-year-old baby, my grandson. Nobody has called, not the city, Red Cross. Nobody has helped us, and it's hard. My daughter that's 16 is traumatized, and it's hard for us. We have to start from the bottom again.
The soil basically is like a sponge, and at some point it can't hold any more water, and trees become essentially almost buoyant in the soil and very loose, and then you get the combinations of high winds, and that's when you get tree failures, meaning full trees uprooting and falling over. We are very busy. We're overworked. We're doing 24-hour work as well for some of the municipalities around the Bay Area. So our guys are tired and wet, and